Enjoy the ease of a one-pot meal, a world-famous tapas dish. Pil pil is a word used in Spanish and Basque cuisines that describes a sauce made with garlic and chili-infused olive oil. This dish will bring an instant hit of Mediterranean sunshine to the dinner table. First up, the veggies for the sauce. Halve a bell pepper and discard the core and seeds, and dice evenly. Halve and peel an onion and get slicing. Heat some olive oil and fry your bell peppers and onion. Crush and mince the garlic and add it to the pan. Keep stirring, you don't want them to take on too much colour. Some say pil pil is named after the sound of popping garlic as it cooks in the hot oil. Who are we to argue? A splash of red wine vinegar will give a piquant sharpness. Let it evaporate, stir the tomato puree into the pan and cook for about a minute. Then hit it with some water to loosen the sauce. Bring it to the boil. Next, crack on with the pil pil prawns. Pil pil has its origins in southern Spain, where fat, juicy prawns were cooked in garlicky olive oil and roasted peppers. Add a little sweetness with some sugar and veggie stock for a boost in flavour. Cook the sauce until it is thickened and the prawns cooked. Prawns are ready when pink on the outside and opaque in the middle. Then add the baby spinach one handful at a time. Packed with proteins, this pil pil prawn dish fuels your body and delights your taste buds. Enjoy!